Rain and thunderstorms, we had a pretty decent weekend, except for those periods of rain, which at times were so heavy. In fact, well, I'll show you a little bit later, but southwest of Indianapolis, there was a spot that had 5.9 inches of rain. And I know many of you, when you went to bed last night, saw those flood warnings for Spencer and Owen County. Well, as Jalea mentioned, folks, we are going to experience some rain and thunderstorms today with isolated severe storms possible. And of course, that rain's going to be heavy at times. Right now, it's just kind of warm and kind of sticky out there. 71 in Bloomington and in Bedford, 70 from Indianapolis to Kokomo and over to Lafayette, but Richmond already at 73. We're running a degree cooler than yesterday at this time, and I think that most of the morning is going to be just fine. Very summer-like. We'll warm up to 77 by 11 a.m., and then in come those scattered thunderstorms with the heaviest or the strongest potential of storms between 5 p.m. and 2 a.m. Now, some of these projected rain amounts, this is going to midnight, have us with an inch of rain. Then, if you count what we could get Tuesday and Wednesday, it could be far more than that, and especially in our southern counties, maybe two plus inches of rain. But let's walk you through this morning. Again, we're right around 70 degrees. As we move into 11 o'clock, here's the rain and storms starting to move into Lafayette. When Sean is with you today at noon, there might be something popping up on the radar, but we think that by 5 p.m., here comes some really strong activity around Lafayette. That's going to spread to the south. So this is 8:30 in the evening. As you'll notice then, we're talking about some really heavy rain. Personally, I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of hail, not a lot, but that's certainly possible. Then we take you to 10 o'clock, and here's more widespread rain. So it looks like it's going to rain pretty much till maybe 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. We'll start sunrise off tomorrow morning dry, but again, with the potential for some thunderstorms developing later during the day, but they'd be stray storms. It's going to get hot this week. 90 degrees Tuesday, humid with scattered storms. 90 Wednesday. 93 is going to be, I think, the brutal day because we'll have stray storms, but 93 for a high. And then we're in the 80s, cooling off a bit Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll have much more on this, what you need to know to prepare for today's stormy weather.